Once upon a time, in a quaint little town nestled between rolling hills and glistening lakes, lived a girl named Lily. She was not just beautiful on the outside, with her radiant smile and twinkling eyes, but her inner beauty shone even brighter. Lily possessed a heart filled with kindness, a spirit brimming with resilience, and a mind teeming with dreams. From a young age, Lily faced challenges that could have easily dimmed her light. Yet, she chose to transform adversity into an opportunity for growth. Her determination and unwavering optimism became the driving forces behind her journey. In the heart of the town stood an old bookstore, its shelves lined with tales of triumph, courage, and the magic that exists within the human spirit. Lily found solace within those dusty pages, drawing inspiration from the stories of those who overcame obstacles and achieved greatness. One day, as she flipped through the worn pages of a particularly inspiring book, Lily stumbled upon a quote that resonated deep within her soul. "Your beauty is not in how you look but in who you are." It was a revelation that ignited a fire within her to embrace her unique qualities, realizing that her true strength lay in her character, compassion, and the way she touched the lives of those around her. Motivated by this newfound wisdom, Lily embarked on a quest to make a positive impact on her community. She volunteered at the local animal shelter, spending hours caring for abandoned pets and finding them loving homes. She mentored younger students at the town's community center, encouraging them to pursue their passions with unwavering determination. As Lily's acts of kindness multiplied, so did the positive energy surrounding her. The once muted colors of the town seemed to burst into vibrant hues, mirroring the transformation within Lily's heart. People began to recognize the true essence of her beauty, a beauty that radiated from the depths of her soul. Lily's infectious spirit began to inspire those around her. She became a source of encouragement, reminding others that beauty was not confined to physical appearances, but thrived in acts of kindness, resilience, and the ability to uplift those in need. In time, the entire town rallied behind Lily's vision, creating a community that celebrated each person's unique qualities. Lily's story became a beacon of hope, proving that true beauty could be found in the strength of one's character and the positive impact they made on the world. And so, in this enchanting town, the legacy of a beautiful girl named Lily continued to motivate and inspire generations to come, proving that the most profound beauty is the one that emanates from within.